This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can change the photo shooting mode resolution on this drone. So at the start you will need to obviously switch on the RCD aircraft, pair them, open the flight interface, that goes without saying. Next, open settings by, give me a sec here, by tapping at those three vertical dots, or horizontal dots, excuse me, you'll find at the top right corner of the display. Next, actually before we enter, make sure that the photo shooting mode is selected, so we will unlock the parameters and preferences of the photo shooting mode this way. Now first way to change the photo mode resolution is to switch the camera from automatic to pro mode, then open the parameters, and here select the resolution between 12 and 50 megapixels. Second method you can do that, second method you can use is to launch settings, enter the camera category on top, and here you'll also find the resolution, which you can switch once again between 50 and 20 megapixels. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.